and we're going to complete clearing that big section down in there, which will eventually be for the solar and for the runoff grey water. So yeah, let's go and have a look at that. Oh. So big things coming Monday. It's happening all Monday. Anyway, we'll see what we can come up with. Vader seems to have collapsed up a little bit. He does have some, not leaks, but it doesn't hold pressure, which is okay with me, I suppose. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll set you up here. I'll have to go and get the spanners out of the cab, and we can go from there. So I think that's right. Just drop the screw a bit so you don't blow over in the wind, and if you do, apologises. All right. Spanners. That's it. And I thought the Allen keys were in here too, but they're obviously not. So, well, we have a bit of, hope that's not oil. We have a bit of water down in there. I just put this in at hand tight so that dust and water wouldn't get in there. Yes. Does look like there's supposed to be an O-ring there too. I can't see anything in there, but no, we'll have a look. See, what are your thoughts? Can you see this little groove here? Is there supposed to be an O-ring there? I know there's supposed to be one there because that's the one I took off. I took this one off. So let's get another one. Went down to the local car shop. What do you reckon? You reckon that'll do? I think so. We'll give it a go anyway. There's some thicker ones there if I need, but we'll have a go with this one first, and if it leaks, well, it leaks. I don't want to pinch it. The other one was pinched. Well, that's tight. I don't know if it's going to be any good, but we'll give it a try, eh? Let me plug these back in. Whoever invented hydraulic fittings suck ass. Sometimes they clip in. Sometimes they don't. Well, not for a while anyway. Oh. And yet that one, which I thought was going to be the hardest, was the easiest. Righto. Let's start him up and we'll see if it leaks. keep it safe. Get out the way. Out the way. Thank you. Hop out the road, please. Well, Mr. YouTube, it would seem you fell off. I'll edit that out. But, yeah, you did go for a bit of a tumble. You're back now. Let's have a look. What? No. It is not leaking. It is not leaking. However, I think I'm going to need some more fluid. Looks all right to me. We've still got a bit. So, Vader fixed. 120 O-rings, all different sizes, $7. It's amazing how much money you got to spend to get a $7 kit. Anyway, that's it. Let's go and push some trees. See you soon.